Hello YouTube. Today I received this package from post office. I don't know what it's inside exactly because I don't open it yet, but how I can guess, I think it's from Banggood. I think there are some connectors inside XT60 and some plates for soldering battery. Okay, let's just open it and let's see what it's inside. Oh, yeah. Yes, what I say. There are connectors T60. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 connectors. Also, I don't know what it's this. I think it's the code for Banggood. Yeah. Those are the connectors. They're okay, perfect. And I ordered for my quadcopter and airplane for soldering the batteries and stuff. Also I ordered some, I don't know if I can, let me open. I don't know how many those are. Those are for battery if you want to connect to make in series or something like this. I just think I will gonna do from normal batteries to do just from 18650, yes, to make for my plane just a lithium battery. Okay, those are the connectors from Banggood. Thank you, Banggood. They are great, they are okay. Those are also the plates for that. Let me tell you how many days that take to come here. I ordered this in 21 December 2015 and today there is 11, just almost 13 days. Just 20 days until here. Just was the Christmas and the New Year. 20 days, that's it's okay. Okay, thank you, Banggood, and just stay tuned. If you like the review, just click the like button, subscribe for more other videos because I ordered a lot of stuff from them and I have to arrive here. And also I'm gonna show you how to build your quadcopter or wing or many other things. Okay, thank you, bye bye.